to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about something that we've been thinking about and has been circulating in our brains for a very long time. We've come to the age in our lives that we are thinking and we are reevaluating ourselves and looking at life at a different perspective, because at this point of age, at this stage of life, we are beginning to realize our actual purpose and what we want to do with our lives. As a little boy, a teenager, all we do in school is just have fun, and sometimes we miss or intentionally absent ourselves from school and don't want to go to school. But then at this age, we soon figure out that life has its own grand scheme. It has its own agenda, that we have to follow this daily and mundane routine every single day. We are born, we grow up, we go to school, university, get a decent job, get married, and then finally we develop and grow together with our own family, and till then we depart from the world. Yes, you heard me. Every single person are born on this world, and we have to create our own stories, our own destinies. No one is born to be the chosen one. No one is actually born to have a particular destination, because we are the ones who decide and make the choices in life. What's only certain and the only future that is going to be applied to everyone, and it is definitely going to happen, is of course death. That is the cycle of life that we are all going to experience together as humanity. Take a deep breath and try to look at life through these lenses, through this kaleidoscope, a vivid interpretation of what is meant to be life. We are all given the equal amount of time in a day, 24 hours. We may be different from our social background, the way we look, the beliefs and ideologies that we have. But again, we all have the same 24 hours. We might not have figured out what is our future. We don't know what to do in the future. We've made some decisions, but those decisions we feel aren't suitable for us. We feel that certain times or places we've been to and all the choices that we've made do not reflect or does not satisfy us, or does not result in the outcome that we also desire or we want. Try to look at it in a different way. Perhaps it is time for us to finally settle down, sit down, and lay back and begin to ponder. Life has its own tastes and flares. It has its own mysteries beyond the veils that we haven't uncovered. There may be problems and challenges ahead of us, but take a moment to sit down again and jot down all the things, all the skills that you have for now. Because the future is so vague. Because what you do and commit today will turn out to be the future. Again, jot down and think, what are the perks? What you as a human being, what are your abilities? What are your skills? What are the things within you that you have, the potential within you? When you determine and figure out what are your abilities, what you can do, makes you so special and unique, I believe that it is for you to exploit. And at the same time, figure out what are the problems and the issues that you have in life, and begin to draw a line, create a distinction or demarcation of the problems and the proposed or possible solutions that you can do to overcome them. But take note, it doesn't necessarily have to be now, because every person has their own pace. Take it slowly and gradually, and soon you will find the beauty behind God's creation of this world that we all share and breathe the same air together. I pray that all of you guys are able to find your passion, find your abilities, and the innate nature within you that you believe that you are able to do and able to explore independently. Because regardless if you're doing it independently, in one way, we are actually doing it all together in one synergy. We are doing this congruently as a whole in mankind, that we can achieve many, many amazing things together. Because by the end of the day, and soon, we all have the same 24 hours. An average human being has 72 years of life, and we shall make it and make the most out of our lives and contribute back to society. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day ahead of you.